What's better than pasta with porcini mushrooms? This fantastic porcini flavor is simply irresistible. With just a few high-quality ingredients, you can prepare this simple pasta recipe in no time. To start, chop an onion into small even pieces. If you don't have one at home, you can use shallots or leeks instead, which are both a bit sweeter and milder in flavor. Next, you'll only need the parsley stems. Set aside the leaves, as they'll be used later. Chop the stems into small pieces. Add a bit olive oil to the pan. You can also use sunflower or canola oil. Both are neutral in taste. Sauté both for 2 minutes over low to medium heat until they become translucent. The onions are only briefly sautéed, because the mushrooms will be added later and will continue cooking them, enhancing the flavors even more. Today we're using 200 grams or 7 ounces of frozen porcini mushrooms. However, I'd recommend using fresh mushrooms, as they have a slightly more intense in flavor. They also retain their slightly earthy nutty taste and a firmer texture. Freezing causes them to lose some aroma and the cell structure changes. Both options are a great source of nutrients. Salt the porcini mushrooms to remove any excess water. This helps them brown better and enhances their flavor. Gently lift the mushrooms from the bottom of the pan to prevent them from sticking or burning. If you are enjoying this video and want to support us, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Turn the mushrooms gently, being careful not to crush or break them. In a stainless steel pan, they tend to stick to the bottom. If you want to make things easier, use a non-stick pan. Salt the cooking water and add the tagliatelle. Alternatively, you can also use fettuccine or pappardelle, depending on your preference. Dice a clove of garlic. Tagliatelle with porcini mushrooms originate from central Italy in the Emilia-Romagna region. Today, however, this dish is cooked and enjoyed all over the world. Lower the heat and add the chopped garlic to the pan. Stir regularly to prevent it from burning. The garlic should turn golden, without getting too dark, as it can become bitter. Now you'll need the parsley leaves. Roughly chop them first, then finely mince them. If you don't like parsley, you can leave it out. The leaves shouldn't be sautéed, just add them at the end to keep their fresh aroma and add a touch of color to the dish. The tagliatelle should be ready. Drain them and add them directly to the pan. Toss the tagliatelle to combine all the ingredients nicely. Here you'll find another delicious mushroom recipe, our sautéed garlic mushrooms.